This video is going to be a skin update. So if you want to know the products I use to get my skin popping like this, shining and all of that, you must definitely keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my wonderful channel. My name is Joy. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, today's video I'm going to give you guys skin updates. The last time I did a video on how I cleared my sunburn. I'm going to share with you the products I use to get my skin popping like this, shining and all of that. You must definitely keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share to your family and friends, and subscribe to my wonderful channel. Turn your post notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, no further ado, let's get right into it. You can see my skin is popping and glowing like never before. Yeah, let's just get into it. Sunburn on my face is not noticeable. It's clearing and I'm trying my best to prevent it using sunscreen. So the first thing I'm going to go in with, this is my face cream and this is my body cream. I use Body Treat. I've been using this product for 3 to 4 years now and it has been giving me a good result. And when you're applying cream, make sure you wash your hands and then just rub it in, like massage it your face. Actually, the best time to apply cream and get a wonderful result is at night, because you're resting and you're not stressing yourself much, you're not under the sun. Massage everything in your ear, the back of your neck, you know, the areas to apply your cream, your hands. As you can see, my dark knuckles are not as obvious and dark as it used to, because I got an organic product from 𝖢ki𝖾𝖺iِ and it's been wonderful. You can see it's not as dark as it used to. This is done. It's affordable. And the next thing I'm going to go in with, I'll go in with 𝖢kiЛ𝖺iِ. This is an organic product. I got it at 𝖢kiЛ𝖺iِ at nicel complex. That's on Instagram. This is what I use for my body. I use it for dark knuckles, I use it for sunburn. So he mixed everything here because he produces it. This is an organic product. So now I apply it on my hand for dark knuckles. There is nothing I've not done for this dark knuckles. I've used lemon, baking soda, I've used aloe vera, I've used so many things, and I feel like it was making it worse. So I contacted him and they asked me to send some pictures to him, so he's going to know what he's going to do. I still apply this on my face, on this sunburn area, and you can see the video I made concerning sunburn, that video, the Kpata Kpata, I still use it. Look at it, I still use it. The green is for morning and the yellow is for night. Just little. So since now it's morning, I'm going to apply it here, massage it in. And now my skin is even. You know, stress causes your skin. It also shows on your face. So this is no longer in the market, like it's very scarce. Even the place I normally buy it at, just Joy Academy Resources in Nigeria, is no longer available there. Then once that is done, I'll go in with Gogi and Piment. So I mixed it here. For those of you who have been commenting, where do I get it, how do I, like, it's not my fault. I'm not the one producing all these products, okay? And the places I got it, like now it's no longer available, it's scarce in the market. So I'll advise you guys to go chat up 𝖢kiЛ𝖺iِ at nicel complex on Instagram. I'm going to put it on the screen and in my description. Chat him up. The organic product, they take time to like manifest the result and all of that, but it's worth it. It's worth it. I've been using this for 2 months now and you can see it's no longer that. Once that is done, I'll go in with this. This is a sunscreen. I also got it at 𝖢kiЛ𝖺iِ. So when I've applied all these products on my face, I'll go in with sunscreen to protect my skin on my face from the sun, so that I won't keep having sunburn. Like I'll go out and come in and then everywhere is so dark. Like that's what sunscreen is for. And try your best to get products, or make sure your cream has vitamin E in it. That way it protects you from sunburn. Or just mix vitamin E in your cream, vitamin E capsule, mix it in your cream, and you're good to go. My hair is all coiled up like this gel coil. I use laser coil kit to achieve this. If you haven't seen the video, it will be linked up as well, so go check it out. So guys, that's it. These are the products I use to clear my skin, to get my skin glowing like this. For 5 days now, I've been using Silox. I've just been trying the product out, and you can see the result. I apply it at night once I'm going to bed, when I clean my makeup off, and I don't want powder, because you know when you still clean, you wipe your face, you wash your face, makeup is still there, because when you sleep and you wake up, you see powder on your pillow. So yeah, just to avoid all of that, I go in with Silox. It comes with cleanser, moisturizing fortifier like a face cream, and I just sleep like a baby, and my skin is just glowing, has tone and all of that. So I'm going to show you guys the kit on the screen. That's it guys. So these are all the products I use to have this wonderful popping glowing skin. So if you watched to the end of this video, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, and please be careful while you're using this Kpata Kpata. If you started using it, be careful, because applying it too much of it can actually cause burns for you. So just be careful. What works for me or works for someone else might not work for you, so just be careful. Thanks so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Oh somebody, I am looking for a my dear girls them bad, but them no bad reach you.